how to add border in KineMaster. It's super simple and straightforward process, so let's dive right in. You can create a new project or you can just click on your existing project to open it. For now, let me just tap and create new. Now once you tap and create new, you will need to choose the aspect ratio, choose your preferred aspect ratio and tap and create. Now once you tap and create, choose the media from here where you want to add your border into. Let me add this one. Now once you add it, all you have to do is go back to layer, tap on it and tap on media. From here choose the border. Let me choose this one and go back. If you haven't downloaded the border, you can simply download from the tools like Canva and Photoshop. You can choose it from there or you can just download it from the internet as well. Now once you download it, add it like this and you can rotate it like this and adjust its position like this by dragging its edges. Now once you adjust its position like this, all you have to do is in your right hand side you will see many options. Simply scroll down and you will see blending. Tap on it and just decrease its opacity like this. Now once you decrease it, you can see a border is added. Go back. Now to adjust its you need to adjust its brightness and all. Tap on it and scroll down and tap on adjustment and adjust its brightness from here. Edit it like this. Now once you edit it, it will look better, I hope, like this. Go back and simply play the video. As you can see, your border has been added to your image. If you want to add more borders to another image, just repeat the same process. And if you want other videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of the video. Thank you for watching.